the local communities.
Meghalaya Education Minister Rakkam Sangma said that the government has decided to come up with a separate subject to educate school students on the provisions of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, besides culture and tradition of the 3 tribes of Meghalaya. He said once the state curriculum is developed, it will be known which part to study at the elementary, upper primary and secondary level. He further informed that the department will soon sit to discuss with the Khasi Authors Society and Achik Literature Society, besides subject experts and traditional heads, on the type of subjects to be studied in the elementary, primary, upper primary and secondary levels.
For the first time, that every student from the state and outside the state who comes and study in Meghalaya must study about our own culture, our own language, our own food, our own dress, our own geography, our own state, our own region. Therefore, and also, every student must study about some basic law during the school, and also about the 6th schedule, which is a very, very strong pillar for the tribal community.